Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Azure. To begin, focus on understanding the fundamental concepts of cloud computing and Azure's core services. Utilize the extensive free learning paths available on Microsoft Learn, which provides structured guidance. Don't forget to set up a free Azure account. It's essential for hands-on practice and exploring the platform without cost. Next, practical application is key. Engage with hands-on labs and projects to solidify your understanding of Azure services. Consider pursuing Azure certifications, such as Azure Fundamentals or role-based certifications, to validate your skills. Choosing a specialization like Azure AI or DevOps can also help you build deeper expertise in a particular area. As you progress, explore more advanced Azure services and solutions that align with your interests. Actively participate in the vibrant Azure community through forums, user groups, and social media to share knowledge and learn from others. Staying current with new features and updates released by Microsoft is crucial for maintaining relevant skills in this evolving platform. Finally, apply your acquired Azure knowledge to real-world projects, whether personal or professional, to build a strong portfolio. Effectively showcase your Azure expertise on your resume and professional profiles. This approach will help you pursue specialized roles in cloud administration, development, or architecture, advancing your career in the dynamic field of Azure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.